This 2024 Sunset Park RV SunRay 129 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Sunset Park RV is 15 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Sunset Park RV SunRay 129 is 1,930 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.